Hello, my dear children. Good morning and welcome to our maths class. Children, we are learning money chapter. Okay, we have learned addition of money, subtraction of money in our last classes. Okay, so today we are going to learn new topic, that is multiplication of money. Okay, multiplication of money. We know that we have learned ordinary multiplication. So this is also similar what ordinary multiplication we are doing, only rupees and pesos are here. Okay, then we will understand multiplication of money by solving one example, then we will solve exercise. Now example, multiply rupees 44.23 by 3. Multiply rupees 44.23 by 3. Now you see here this is given in the point. Okay, so this is before point there is rupees and after point is pesos. So what we will do, we will write as what we were writing in rupees column and peso column. So I will write here rupees column and here peso column. Rupees 44 will be in the rupees column and 23 peso I will write in the peso column. Then I will put the symbol here in the rupees column and multiplication multiply by 3, this I will write in the peso column. Okay, so you can also do like this way. Now we will start the multiplication. We know how to multiply, so here we will start multiplication with peso column. Okay, then first of all 3 we will multiply with ones place of peso. 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9, then 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, so 69 paise. Next, now same 3 we will multiply in rupees column with 4. 3 4 ja 12, 2 down and 1 carry forward. 3 4 ja 12 plus 1 13. So what is answer? Therefore answer is rupees 132.69, or I have said to you in the long form rupees 132 and 69 paise. This is also you can write. Okay, so our answer is rupees 132.69 or rupees 130 and 69 paise. Okay, I have explained you, when we are writing in the long form we will write and behind we will write paise, but in the short form when there is decimal there is no need to write p here. Okay, and n will be removed. Now we will understand exercise 8e. We will understand exercise 8e. Similar type of questions are there. Multiply the following. Then a rupees column and paise column is already given, no need to arrange it. So first of all we will begin with paise column. 6 into 0 0, 6 1 ja 6. So what is the answer? Here paise answer will be 60. Then now 6 5 ja 30, 0 down and 3 carry. Then 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 2 3, 12 plus 2 3, 6 2 ja 12 plus 3 15. So answer is rupees 150 and 60 paise. Okay, then next one, similarly what we have done here, 3 5 ja 15, 5 down and 1 carry forward. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, 75 paise. Now we will multiply with rupees column. 3 7 ja 21, 2 down, 1 down and 2 will be carried forward. 3 into 0 0, 0 plus 2 2, or you can write directly. If you see here 0, you can write 3 7 ja 21 directly here, because if you put 2 carry, even though same answer will be there. Okay, then 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 321 and 75 paise. C1. 2 to ja 4, 2 to ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Okay, 24 paise. Now 3 2 3 ja 6 in the rupees column. 2 to ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 646 rupees and 24 paise. Okay, clear? C I have solved. D you have to write down. D you have to solve by yourself in the homework. Okay, you have to solve by yourself in homework. Now I will solve E. Rupees column and paise column. 156 rupees and 42 paise multiply by 2. We will begin as usual. 2 to ja 4, 2 to ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Now 2 6 ja 12, 2 down and 1 carry. 2 5 ja 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry forward. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3. So 312 rupees and 84 paise. Okay, then F. 3 9 ja 27, 7 down, 2 carry. 3 4 ja 12 plus 2, 14, 4 down. Now see here children, 3 4 ja 12 plus 2, 14. So 4 down and 1 carry forward. I will put here in the rupees column. Okay, then 3 into 0 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 3 into 0 0, 3 1 ja 3. So 301 rupees and 47 paise. Children, if you get the carry here, you can forward it. Okay, then now F after G. 5 to ja 10, 5 to ja 10, 0 down, 1 carry. 5 9 ja 45 plus 1, 46, 6 down and 4 carry forward. 4 carry. See, 5 9 ja 45 plus 1, 6, 46, 6 down and 4 carry. 5 9 ja 45. Here also 5 9 ja 45 plus 4, 49, 9 down and 4 carry. 5 7 ja 35 plus 4, 39. Okay, 399 rupees and 60 paise. So this is the exercise 8E we have solved and understood. I hope that children you have understood everything whatever we have solved. Yes. Now we will solve a word problem based on this multiplication of money. Are you ready to learn? Okay. We will solve statement sums based on multiplication of money. Okay, children. So children, we will solve statement sums. Exercise 8F. Okay. So I am reading the question. First of all, I will read the question. Then we will solve it. Okay. Vineet bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of rupees 255.80. Vineet bought 3 t-shirts at the rate of rupees 255.80 each, means in 200 rupees paise and 80 paise. Each means 1. Each means 1 t-shirt. The cost of the 1 t-shirt is rupees 255 and 80 paise. Now, how much did he pay in all? He bought 3 t-shirts. He paid 255.80 means 255 rupees and 80 paise for 1 t-shirt. We have to find out what is the cost of 3 t-shirt, means how much did he pay in all to the shopkeeper from wherever he bought. Okay, then first of all we will write cost of 1 t-shirt. Cost of 1 t-shirt equal to rupees 255.80 means rupees 255 and 80 paise. Therefore, cost of 3 t-shirt equal to, we have to find out, equal to rupees 255.80 multiply by 3. We have to multiply it. Okay, then I will write here rupees column and paise column. Okay, then in rupees column I will write here 255 and paise column I will write 80 multiply and I will write in the paise column 3. Now we will multiply it. Then as usual we will multiply 3 into 0 0, 3 8 ja 24, 4 down, 2 carry forward in the rupees column, here 5, okay, on 5. Now 3 5 ja 15 plus 2 17, 7 down and 1 carry forward. 3 5 ja 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry forward. 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. So 767 rupees and 40 paise. I will write here answer. Therefore he paid rupees 767.40 in all means he paid rupees 767.40 for 3 t-shirt. This is the cost of 3 t-shirt. We have already, it is given of the cost of 1 t-shirt is already given. Okay. Then next one, question number 2. The cost of a cold drink bottle is rupees 10.50. Means cost of a cold drink means one cold drink. Cost of a cold drink bottle is rupees 10.50 means cost of one cold drink bottle is rupees 10.50 means rupees 10 and 50 paise. Okay. What is the cost of 8 cold drinks bottle? We have to find out the cost of 8 cold drink bottles. Okay. Then we will write first of all here. I will write here cost of one cold drink bottle. Cost of one cold drink bottle equal to rupees 10.50. Cost of one cold drink bottle is rupees 10.50 means 10 rupees and 50 paise. Therefore, cost of 8 cold drink bottles equal to rupees 10.50 multiplied by 8. Okay. Now we will multiply here. So same we will do here. I will write rupees column and paise column. Here I will write 10 in rupees column. I will write 10 and paise column 50 multiplied by 8. Okay. Yes. Now 8 0 ja 0, 8 5 ja 40, 0 down and 4 carry forward. 8 0 ja 0, 0 plus 4 4. 8 1 ja 8. Okay. So what is the answer? I will write here properly so you can read it properly. So 84 rupees and 00 paise. Therefore I will write here cost of 8 cold drink bottle is rupees 84. I will write here only rupees 84 because 00 paise no need to mention. Clear children? Okay. So this is the answer of question number 2. Now question number 3. The cost of one petrol is rupees 73.22 and what is the cost of 9 liter? Here cost of 1 liter petrol, here might be forgot. Cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 73.22 means 22. Okay. What is the cost of 9 liters petrol? 1 liter petrol cost is given 73 rupees and 22 paise. We have to find out the cost of 9 liter petrol. Okay, I will solve here. So first of all, I will rub it this one. I will rub this one. Now, so I will write same what we are writing. Cost of 1 liter petrol equal to rupees 73.22. Okay, therefore cost of 9 liters petrol equal to rupees 73.22 multiplied by 9. Okay, I will write here rupees column and paise column. 73 in the rupees column and 22 in the paise column. Multiply. Here I will write 9. Now we will solve it. 9 to the 18, 8 down, 1 carry forward. 9 to the 18 plus 1, 9 to the 18 plus 1, 19, 9 down, 1 carry forward. 9 3 are 27 plus 1, 28, 8 down, 2 carry. 9 7 are 63 plus 2, 65. Okay? 9 3 are 27 plus 1, 28, 8 down, 2 carry. 9 7 are 63. Okay? And 2, 65. Therefore our answer you can write here. Cost of 9 liter petrol is rupees 658.98. Means rupees 658 and 98 paise. Okay children, so this is about the multiplication of money. Today we have learned multiplication of money. I think you have understood it very well. Okay children, now you have to practice, and whatever homework I have given you have to solve and do more practice. Okay, bye bye and have a nice day children. Thank you.